Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to find the computer name on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10 or Windows 11 or servers. Okay, the first method is Windows run, then type ms info 32. See here we have the system name. This is the system name. Okay, second method is open cmd, then type host name. See, got the same. Go to Explorer, this PC, then right click, then properties. See here device name, this is the device name or the computer name. Okay, next method is open control panel, then go to system and security, then click on system. So you got the same. Okay, go to cmd, paste this command, hit enter. See, you got the same. Okay, even you can run this queries in the PowerShell also. Open PowerShell, paste it, hit enter. See, you got the same. Even you can run the same host name. Okay, so in this video we have seen different ways to find the computer name on Windows 11 operating system. As I told you, the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, for more Windows tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.